do that, I'll turn off the recording later and you can exchange addresses. All right, today's date is April 4th, 2022. In Gray County, Texas, I call cause number 40312. In the interest of Nakia De La Torre and the other De La Torre children, what says the state?
It's ready, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mrs. Strada. Present by telephone is Laura De La Torre. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you ready to proceed, Ms. De La Torre?
Yes, ma'am.
The court's file reflects that Devin's session was served with notice of these proceedings back on June 11th of 2021. However, he's not made any answer, nor has he appeared. I believe he's participated in DNA testing. This hearing was set for 9 a.m. and it's now approximately 9:35. So we are proceeding to default. Mrs. Strada, you may call your first witness.
Thank you. I call Ms. De La Torre.
Ms. De La Torre, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Ms. Estrada.
Thank you. Ms. De La Torre, what are the names of your children before the court today?
Nakia De La Torre and Devontae Session.
How old are they?
Nakia is 18 and Devontae 17.
When does Nakia graduate from high school?
May 28th.
And when does Devontae graduate?
Next year in May.
Okay. Did you take them for DNA testing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you've been told the results?
Yes.
That Mr. Session is the father of both children and you've known that for a while though, haven't you?
Yeah, he's the only person I was with, so I knew he was a daddy.
Has he ever been a part of their life?
No, ma'am. Well, when they were little, but that after Devontae was 2, he left.
Okay. Your Honor, I'd like to offer as State's Exhibit 1 a copy of the DNA test report for both children, Devontae Session and Nakia De La Torre.
Admitted as State's number 1.
Thank you. Ms. De La Torre, Devontae already has the last name of Session. Are you wanting to change Nakia's last name to Session as well?
No.
Or leave it the same?
No, I want to keep her last name.
Okay. Do the children have any type of insurance?
They're on Medicaid with Superior.
And do you know if Mr. Session works?
No.
Does he have any disability or any reason that he cannot work at least 20 hours a week? I'm sorry, go ahead.
Not to
So
my knowledge.
He should be able to work a 40-hour week making minimum wage.
I'm pretty sure he can.
Has he ever provided you any support directly to you?
No, ma'am.
Are you requesting back child support?
No.
Okay. But you are in agreement to doing at least a 6-month back child support in this particular case?
Yes. Yeah, 6 months.
And that amount would be $1,674 to be repaid at $60 a month starting June 1st. Does that sound right?
Yes, ma'am.
And did we calculate the guideline child support since your daughter is going to graduate in May next month, that we would start guideline child support in the amount of $223 a month starting June 1st. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you know if he has any other children under the age of 18?
No, Devontae's his only one.
Okay. Regarding visitation of the children, if you call them children ages 17 and and 18 with a month left of school. How do you think visitation should work? Should it just be as they agree, or do you have another suggestion?
Yeah, just that they want to meet each other, that's it. But other than that, nothing.
Okay. Do they have a relationship with him at all right now?
No, they don't speak to him at all. They don't want to have nothing to do with him.
All right, Ms. Delatorre, is there anything else you would like the judge to know today that I haven't asked?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll pass the witness, Your Honor, and rest and close.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Delatorre.
You're welcome.
Based on the testimony and the evidence before me, I'm granting, well, I find that Devin Session is the legal and biological father of both Nakia and Devontae, and I'm ordering that the parent-child relationship be established for purposes, and that the children will continue to carry the last name they've been known by. I'm appointing Ms. Delatorre as a sole managing conservator and Mr. Session as a possessory conservator, with visitation to be determined by mutual agreement in advance, or first, third, and fifth Saturdays from 1 to 5 p.m. if the parties can't agree. I'm ordering Mr. Session to pay Ms. Delatorre child support of, as requested, was that $221 per month starting in June 1st? Is that correct?
I believe it's 223.
$223, thank you. Starting June 1st of 2022, I'm granting retroactive child support for 6 months as requested. And what was the payment on the Medicaid?
We would request $25 a month reimbursement to the state.
All right, $25 goes to the state to provide for the Medicaid, like a premium for the Medicaid, and Mr. Session will be responsible for half, and Ms. Delatorre will pay half of any medical and dental bills not covered by insurance. I'm assessing court costs against Mr. Session due June 1st of 2023. Is there any other relief I have not addressed?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Estrada is going to prepare that order for my signature, and I'm going to sign it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody could request a new hearing. If somebody does that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Vanderpool, and he'd start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy by email or by regular mail within about 2 weeks. Ms. Delatorre, if you don't get a copy of that, please call the Amarillo AG's office and just remind them to send you one, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ms. Delatorre, on raising 2 children who are about to finish high school. That is just really exciting. And
Oh, yes, thank you.
I bet you are so proud of them.
Oh, yes. Hopefully I got a, hopefully Devontae gets a scholarship for football.
All right. Good luck to you all. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You can hang up, Delatorre.
Okay, thank you.